Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Okta for UI access control and UX friendly sessions, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing using Okta for UI access control and UX friendly sessions, first, navigate to your preferred web browser. Open the Okta website. Log in to your Okta admin account. Once logged in, locate the admin dashboard. In the dashboard, find the Applications tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Applications tab to access your current applications. Then, click on the Add Application button. A new window will pop up displaying various application options. Select the application that suits your needs from the list. After selecting the application, click on the Next button. Now, configure the application settings. Enter the required details such as the name, logo, and sign-in URL. Adjust the access settings to control who can access this application. Make sure to set the user assignment method. You can choose between everyone or specific groups. Once you've configured the settings, click on the Done button to save your changes. Next, navigate to the Users tab in the dashboard. In this tab, you can invite users to access the newly added application. Click on the Assign button next to the application you just created. Choose the users or groups you want to assign access to this application. Click the Assign button to finalize the assignments. Now to ensure UX-friendly sessions, head to the Security tab. Under this tab, click on Authentication. Set up the appropriate authentication policies for seamless user access. Consider implementing features like adaptive multi-factor authentication. This will enhance security while maintaining user experience. Once your policies are defined, click Save to apply your settings. Finally, test the application access by logging in as a user. Verify that the UI is functioning as expected and sessions are user-friendly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.